Hello everyone, I'm Purti and I'm here to share you a few things about the health. You know, health should be given first priority, or you can say health is the very much important in our life. How? Because it in our previous telling previous old people they are telling that health is a wealth, and in fact it is right. But due to this globalization or due to these westernizations, everyone thinks that they are if they are having a money they cope up with the health problem. Is it like that? If you do have all money throughout, but for example if your age is 80 and if you don't have anything, like you don't have a blood pressures, you don't have a thyroid problem, your osteoporosis, diabetes, cardiac problem, you don't have anything, and one person's his age is 45 or 50 and he is taking a medicines for diabetic or blood pressure or some of the cardiac problem. So do you feel that 50% patient 50 age that patient is healthier, or that 80 the age of 80 that almond is a very happy lucky one? So that is why I just wanted to say you that health is a wealth and definitely we need to look after our health. Nowadays every people in Gujarat, if you see so many people they do have a that they are taking some gutka or smoking and all thing, and all over the world it is that, so that may hampers their health, so it should be avoided. Nowadays due to cope up with this COVID-19 or corona disease, all the big countries like America, European countries, and so many countries, even the China, if you see, Japan, they technically they are very sound, Germany, but even though they no scientists, no their medical advisor, no doctors is able to cope up with the virus, and no one knows that how these infections is spreaded. So this is a big questions nowadays, and just a very surprising and I'm very happy to inform you that just recently in the Iraq, it is in the today's newspaper only, in the Iraq 200 patients has cured coronavirus just in the 4 days by just taking ginger, ajwain and tampatra. So this is again a surprising thing, and they believe that if you have a very good health, or if you focus on your health, you will be able to cope up with the coronavirus. So definitely in such a pathetic conditions like corona, we do have a 21 days time period, and for that also if we invest our time in looking after our health, I feel that that will be a very much useful to us. So and just recently even in the India, all Ayurvedic people and all nowadays they are also inspiring us to enhance our immunity. So just recently I read in one of the newspaper that even nowadays the Ayurvedic consultant will also look after this look after for the diagnosis of the corona patient. So definitely it may work out, but yes, we needed to look after in the health segment, and in the health segment I recommend you two things, and even if you follow this that will help you out, and you do have a very beautiful time, that is a 21 days time. You can invest a very beautiful time for your health as well as your family. So in these 21 days, very short days is remaining, but yet maybe in the futures if the lockdown period extend, or even though maybe in the futures you will get that time to enhance your to work on your health and enhance your immunity. So two things. First thing is you have to look after your physical health. That considered jogging, you do yoga, you do some of the exercise, physical exercise in your home only. So this is first thing, that is on the physical workout if you work it, because nowadays everybody are in the home, and day in and day out they are come up with new dishes and they are eating. So definitely maybe higher calorie they are intaking and so on. So this will help, so physical exercise will help them out to cope up with the to enhance their health segment. Sorry. And second is they need to do something which thing that will help you to enhance their immunity segment. Now how the people will enhance their immunity? Two three things everyone can do to enhance your immunity, because maybe if the corona get more spreaded, then only one thing that will work, that is the immunity of the people. And if those people who do have a very strong immunity, because no one knows that from where the corona gets spreaded. Just as recently one tea people, the persons who is serving a tea has also has a corona positive. So no one knows this corona is how the corona is spreading. But yes, those people who do have a very strong immunity, they will be only survive in the future, and that will help you out. So few things I recommend you to enhance your immunity, that is just as recommended by so many people, that if you take a warm water, uh, if you add haldi inside the water, that will be very useful. Otherwise warm water, if you drink it 2 times 3 times, it will help you out, not only to cope up your the immunity purpose or cope up with the corona, but in the also when you take a warm water, it will help you to enhance your peristaltic movement, and it will relax you from your gastric discomfort. It will maintain your blood pressures and sugar level maybe in some extent. So that will help you out. So take a warm water, take few of the Ayurvedic medicine like ajwain or that murri, then haldi and all, that will help you out. Third thing is just to enhance your immunity, all the scientists, everyone, they recommended vitamin C tablet. Maybe I'm even our family, the people are taking limca 500. But yes, if you don't want to take a medicine of vitamin C, you can take lemon juice, that will work out. The more lemon intake you will increase, that will help you to cope up with such kind of the conditions, and it will enhance your immunity. Vitamin C is should be required to enhance your immunity. Just before few years, so many people has occurred with the chikungunya, when chikungunya comes in Gujarat. But those people who are taking lemon juice every day, or who has a very who has a very sound immunity, that people only is survive from the chikungunya. So vitamin C intake, if you take it, that will help you out. And fourth thing I recommend you is definitely, I feel no one is doing, but if you're doing, it's well and good. If you're not doing, just try it out. Use some of the relaxation techniques, listen some of the beautiful music, just have some funny look after some funny video and all. So relaxation, because stress is also one of the cause that may hamper your immunity, and may be one of the cause to enhance your gastric level, blood pressure level and all. So just relaxation therapy will also help you out and help to enhance your immunity. So this is few of the tips, and that I feel definitely the health should be given a first priority in life. And if you have a health with you, then you will cope up with any of the disease, not this corona, but any of the disease, and you will live your life happily. Thank you so much for now.